Hi, welcome to our review lesson on atoms. Let's get started. Now, we all remember learning about atoms, but we're going to get a little refresher today. Atoms are made up of three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. These all have masses and charges that never change. Protons are also found at the top of each element, which is called the atomic number. And the atomic mass, which would be located usually at the bottom of each element in the periodic table, is made up of the addition between protons and neutrons.
Now let's talk about valence electrons. The outermost shell of an atom contains these electrons. The number at the top of each column is the number of valence electrons those elements contain. Having all 8 valence electrons is what makes the atom stable. However, with hydrogen and helium, they only need 2 in order to be stable. Last but not least, we have ions. Ions are atoms that have an extra or missing electron. There are 2 main types of ions. Cations, which are positive, mean that an electron was taken away, and an anion, which is negative, means that an electron was added. Cations are metals, while anions are nonmetals. It's easier for cations to lose their electrons in order to be stable since it takes less energy. The first 3 columns on the periodic table are an example of that because they have less than 4 valence electrons. Okay, so let's say you have 6 protons and 5 electrons. What is the charge? In order to find that out, you would have to subtract the 5 electrons from the 6 protons, leaving you with a positive 1, making that your charge. Now let's try some practice problems.